Good morning, friends. We are going to look at a new strategy to help us add today. So last week we looked at the strategy of making a 10. We looked at using a number line, and we looked at doubles and near doubles. Today we're going to add 3 numbers. Ooh, it sounds hard, but it's going to be so easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, so here's our goal for today. I can add 3 numbers by grouping 2 numbers and using the leftover number to find the total sum. 4, I can teach a friend. 3, I can do it by myself. 2, I need help from a friend. 1, I need help from the teacher. These are your finger scales that you are going to show me when you come to my teacher lesson. The pages that you need to tear out are page 35, page 37, and page 39. Your pages look like this. Let's go back to the beginning. Page 35. That's the back side of page 35. Page 37 looks like this on the front. It has a helpful hint bubble at the top. Let's look at the back side. The back side has a polar bear. That's page 38. Page 39. That's the homework page. And page 40 has an elephant on it. Once you have all 3 pages out of your math book, you're going to staple them. 1 staple right here by the word name in order. So you'll have on top 35, in the middle 37, and on bottom 39, just like that, with 1 staple by the word name. Pause the video to make sure you have your pages and 1 staple. You should have just stapled all of your math pages together. Let's go over our learning goal one more time. I can add 3 numbers together. So we're going to do that by adding 2 numbers that we like, and then adding the last number to find the total sum. So we pick 2 add-ins that we can add quickly by ourselves, and then add in the last number. We're going to use our finger scale 4, 3, 2, 1 to help us. Let's get started. All right. In this pond, there are some animals. There are 4 fish. I'm going to draw some shapes to help me keep track. And in this space right here, I'm going to write a number sentence. Remember, what I do on my paper, you do on yours. Oh, put your name at the top of your paper now if you haven't already. And your number. So I'm H30. Okay. There are 4 fish. So I'm going to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to put that first add-in in my number sentence. There are 6 frogs. I'm going to draw triangles for the frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 2 snakes. I'm going to draw straight lines. 1, 2. Oh, I forgot to put my other add-ins in my number sentence. So there are how many frogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frogs. How many snakes? 1, 2. Now I pick 2 add-ins that are easy to add together. I think I want to make a friend for 10. I'm going to use my best friends for 10. That's 4 and 6. They make 10. Then I add in the leftover add-in I didn't use in the bottom. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. My sum is 12. Let's count all the animals that we drew and see if we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 animals all together in the pond. All right, turn the page. Oops. Okay. You can group add-ins in different ways. The sum will stay the same. We learned that when we were looking at switching our add-ins around. You can put them in any order, and the sum stays the same. So this helpful hint is really helpful. I want you to underline the words, look for facts, use So I looked for a tens fact that I knew in the last one. So I could do that again in this one. I could do 4 plus 6 equals 4. Or I could do doubles fact. 4 plus 4. I know 4 plus 4 is 8. I know what 6 plus 6 is 5. Is that bigger number? Punch it up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. My sum is 14. Okay. Let's try another one. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. So now I have 5 plus 4. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to punch it up. Circle the bigger sum, the bigger addend. Now let's punch it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is my sum. Now I have 3 plus 1 plus 7. Well, I remember that 3 plus 7 equals 10. So I'm going to put those down here, and then I'm going to do another number sentence below it. So now I have 1 plus 10 equals 11. That's easy math. I'm going to do 1 and 2 with you, and then you're going to pause the video and try to do 3, 4, 5, 6 by yourself. And then check your answers. Okay, so find each sum, circle the numbers you add first, write that sum in the box. So I know I could do 4 plus 2, I could do 4 plus 2. Those are the same. But what if I make 2 plus 2 and then I end up having a doubles fact? 2 plus 2 equals 4. It said circle the numbers you add first. 2 plus 2 equals 4, and then 4 plus 4 equals 8. I want you to write your new number sentence on that line next to the box, and then write your total sum again on the line. Let's do number 2 together. 9 plus 1 plus 2. I'm going to do 9 plus 1 because I know that equals 10. So I need to circle the 2 numbers I did first, put 10 in the box, and then I have 10 plus 2 equals 12. I put the total sum on that line also, because 9 plus 1 plus 2 equals 12. All right, now you're going to try 3, 4, 5, 6 on your own, and then check your answers after you try them on your own. Pause the video now to try 3, 4, 5, 6 by yourself. You should have just paused the video and tried 3, 4, 5, 6 by yourself. Now what you're going to do is see if you got your answers right. You may circle different numbers than Miss Helmick on 3, 4, 5, 6 because you may choose to add different numbers. I'm going to do what is easiest for me. I know 7 plus 7 is a doubles fact, and I remember it being 14. So now I have 14 plus 4 equals, I don't know, it's a lot, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is my sum. So now I can write 18 on this line. All right, I'm going to do number 4 now. I see 2 plus 7 plus 8. I remember that 2 plus 8 is a 10, best friends for 10. So now I have 10 plus 7 equals 17. That's easy peasy math. Remember to write your sum after your new number sentence and on the line. All right, we have 3 plus 7 plus 4. I could do 3 plus 4, and that would be 7, and 7 plus 7 is a doubles fact, or I could make a best friend for 10. For me, that's the easiest. So I'm going to do best friends for 10. 10 plus 4 equals 14. And I write my sum on the line. My total sum goes on the line. All right, last one. I have 5 plus 3 plus 5. Well, when I look at those addends, I remember 5 plus 5 are friends for 10. So I'm going to circle them, put 10 in the box. Now I have 10 plus 3 left. 10 plus 3 is 13. Easy math. And then I put that sum on the line. You're going to do the same thing when you do the On My Own page. But first, let's look at the question. How do you decide which two numbers to add first when adding 3 digits? I look for, that's your sentence frame, I look for, and then you're going to tell me what you look for when you decide on which two numbers, which two add-ins to add first. I look for blank. You ready to share that answer when you come to my teacher lesson? Now you're going to do page 37, page 38 with a polar bear, page 39, and page 40 with the elephant, all on your own. Make sure you do this question. You don't have to do this question. See you soon.